What have we got here, by the way?
Okay, Brendan, this is a Triumph TR6. It comes from a 1972.
Yeah.
And she had a mechanical fuel injection, a Lucas system, which has been very, very troublesome. So now we've now put an electronic fuel injection system in. So here we have the blokiest bloke.
The blokiest bloke car.
But I mean, the lines are just phenomenal.
Is it?
This here is my Triumph GT6. I got her back from the panel beaters yesterday, like a baby Aston Martin.
Yeah.
This car is from 1963. I got given this car. She's all good. It's just we need a bit of body work. But isn't she as ugly as sin?
DKW, as a ring ting ting car.
My ring ding ding, snip my diff. What grabbed me with this car when I went to see her was the suicide doors. But I'm not going to go and invest money trying to restore. I'm happy with her just like this.